Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will have a 2 weeks vacation in Europe. And the first few days will be in Vienna, Austria, and the next in Italy. So, we're gonna meet up Yanni and Fabio there. So, stay tuned. Samahan nyo kami guys sa aming bakasyon for 2 weeks. Okay, are you excited? Let's go! So, dito na kami sa plane, guys. Grabe. Good morning, guys. Dito na kami sa Vienna, Austria. Video ko itong dalawa kasi ilang taon ba yun? Hey guys! Dito na kami sa Vienna, Austria. We're here at downtown Vienna. So stay tuned sa 2 weeks vacation. Are you excited? Let's go! Guys, we're here at Vienna at Graven Park, downtown Vienna. Hi! Pa! Hi! Yan.
Lahat.
This is Vienna downtown by night. Oh my goodness. It's really, really nice here in Vienna, Austria.
Ay, naka-video. Sorry.
Trying different flavors of pizza in Vienna.